we witness the final seconds of a binary neutron star system. Two of the densest objects in the universe are about to collide, triggering a forge of unimaginable power.
The merger creates a tidal tale of neutron-rich matter. Free neutrons flood the environment, bombarding iron peak seed nuclei at near light speed. This is the R-process. Captures happen so rapidly that nuclei cannot decay, swelling into massive, unstable isotopes that are far beyond the periodic table. As the flux subsides, these heavy giants undergo a series of beta decays. They stabilize, transforming into the gold, platinum, and uranium that will eventually enrich the galaxy. The kilonova light marks the birth of precious metals. Every ounce of gold on your world was forged in this very moment, billions of years ago.